Babyboo Fashion Reviews Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you scroll social media, you've probably seen Babyboo Fashion sleek dresses, bold cutouts, and influencer-approved outfits that pop in every photo. But is the price tag honest about what you receive? Babyboo focuses heavily on trendy clothing, especially bodycon styles, going-out looks, and viral designs. It's the brand you pick when you want to make a confident entrance. Now, let's talk pricing. These items usually sit in a mid-range bracket, not bargain cheap, but not high-end luxury either. You're paying for style, fast delivery of new trends, and a look that stands out. Most people get this wrong. Fast fashion can look glamorous online, but the true value lies in fit and fabric. Customer feedback often praises the flattering shapes, stretchy materials, and form-fitting cuts that boost confidence on big nights out. However, some reviews mention sizing inconsistency, so double-checking measurements before ordering is important. The quality sits somewhere between casual fast fashion and premium clubwear. These pieces are designed for events and pictures, not long-term durability. If you want something from multiple seasons, choose carefully. So, what do you get for your money? Clothing that delivers impact, fun, bold, and ready for any party or special moment. But it's best for occasional rather than everyday outfits. If your goal is to turn heads without breaking the bank, Babyboo is a strong choice. But if you expect luxury materials and long-lasting stitching, remember, the brand's focus is trends and looks first. Pick your favorites, rock your outfit, get those photos, and enjoy the moment.